Today, I'll show you how to change a domain name on Namecheap, or more accurately, what you can realistically do if you need a different domain after you've already registered one. The domain industry has some pretty strict rules that often surprise people, so we'll walk through what's actually possible, what isn't, and the practical steps you can take to fix mistakes like typos or second thoughts right after purchase. First, it's important to understand a key rule. Once a domain name is registered, it cannot be edited or renamed. This isn't just a Namecheap policy, it's how the domain system works globally. You can think of a domain like a government-issued ID. Once it's created with a specific name, you can't just erase it and write a new one. The characters, the spelling, the entire domain is locked in as is. Because of that, there's no button inside your Namecheap account that says rename domain or edit domain. If you were hoping to just tweak a letter or change the whole name but keep the same registration, that's unfortunately not possible. Any change in spelling, extension, or wording requires a brand new domain registration. However, there is a small window where you might be able to recover from a mistake, especially if you act quickly. If you've just bought the domain and realize there's a typo or you change your mind almost immediately, there's a chance you can get a refund within the first few days. Typically, you'll want to act within 5 days of the purchase. After that, your options are usually much more limited. So what should you do if you just registered the wrong domain? The first step is to contact Namecheap support right away. Don't wait or assume it will fix itself. Head to the Namecheap website and open their live chat. This is usually the fastest way to reach them, and speed really matters here because of that short refund window. Once you're in the chat, clearly explain that you just registered the wrong domain and you'd like to cancel it. The key phrase to use is gracefully cancel. Ask the support agent if they can gracefully cancel the domain and issue a refund to your account funds. They may ask you to confirm details like the domain name and purchase date, so it helps to have your account open and the order information handy. Keep in mind, approval isn't guaranteed. Whether they can cancel depends on the type of domain, how long ago you bought it, and the specific rules of the domain extension. Some domain endings are stricter than others, but if you're within that short grace period, it's definitely worth trying. If support is able to process the cancellation, the refund usually goes back as account credit rather than to your original payment method. Once the funds show up in your Namecheap balance, you're ready for the final step. Now, simply search for the correct domain name, double-check the spelling carefully, and purchase it using the account funds that were just refunded. Take a moment to review everything before you confirm the order. Check the extension, make sure there are no extra characters, and that it matches exactly what you want. And that's really the process. You can't directly rename a domain, but if you catch the mistake quickly, you may be able to cancel the original one, get a refund to your account, and then buy the correct name instead.